Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 900s. In this video, we'll do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and BankNifty. We'll try to find out the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. We'll start with BankNifty, and here I am using weekly chart here. What is this week's candle? This week's candle is indecision candle, that is market has been in range for the complete week. Let's shift the time frame to daily and see the levels exactly. This is the daily chart. Here you can see for the past, that is almost from May 10th, market has been in this range, that is it is moving in zigzag direction. It is moving in this from 43,400 to 44,500 points range, that is almost like it is in 1100 points range. What's our last week's view? Our last week's view is once BankNifty breaks this level, that is if BankNifty sustains below 43,900, then we will see a trending move, and we have seen the trending move in the last session, that is almost it has given a 700 points move in a single day. It is on Friday trading session. It has given a V-shaped recovery, and we will see a trending move only either above this level, that is if BankNifty sustains above 44,500, then we can see a trending move, or if BankNifty breaks below this level, that is below 43,400, then we can see a trending move. Between these levels, we will see a zigzag move, something like this. That is, this is a no trading zone for buyers. Sellers are there, they can sell this range, that is in between 44,500 to, they can sell this call and they can sell this put, that is 43,400 and below puts. Let's shift the time frame to hourly here. This is the hourly chart, 43,680 and today's swing high, that is 44,080. On Monday, if BankNifty sustains above 44,080, then we can see more upside, and our first target will be this swing high, that is nearly 44,200, and our second target will be this swing high, that is 44,500. If BankNifty trades below 43,685, then our first target will be 43,500, somewhere near here, and the second target will be 43,390. Now let's see the analysis of Nifty. Here I am using daily chart of Nifty. What is the Nifty trend right now? It is making higher highs and higher lows. We can see it here. This is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and another higher high. Till here, index is in a big range, that is the channel is big. Now index is, what is the index we have right now? It is in a very small range, that is it is in a very small channel. Even though it is going in the upside direction, that is the trend is upside, it is making higher highs and higher lows, but the range, that is it is very narrow range, this channel. So when can we see a trading move? Only when the index comes out this channel, then only we can see a trending move. Till that, index will move like this only, that is in this channel. It will make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it will be in this channel only. In today's session, index has tested this channel's high, and exactly from there it has given a small pullback. So what can we expect this week? What is the range for this week according to this channel? This is one swing low, this is one swing low and one swing high, again a swing low and again a swing high. So if the swing low comes, till where it will come? It will come somewhere around here, that is near 18,600, and again index may bounce from this channel low and it can go upside till here, that is till 18,920, we can call it as 18,980. What is the range? 18,600 to 18,900. This is our range for the coming week. So for option sellers, they can sell this range. They can sell 18,600 below puts, and they can sell 18,950 and above calls for the coming week. Now let's shift the time frame to hourly and see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. I am shifting the time frame to hourly now. Swing low, that is 18,750. Below 18,750, we can short here for the target of, the first target will be this level 18,660, and our second target will be this swing low, that is 18,590, we can call it as 18,690. 600 on the downside. Upside only above this swing high, or we can take it as 18,900.